Stop the car. No, I'm a squeamo. Blood clot murder na this.
It was a Friday night in Kingston, and I had just left my friend's house after a small get-together. We laughed, played music, and ate fried chicken and festival. I remember feeling so light, so happy, like nothing could go wrong. But it was getting late. The road outside was almost empty, and I knew I had to get home. I stood under a streetlight and waved down a taxi. A white Probox slowed down, and the driver leaned over. He looked like somebody regular uncle. Plain shirt. No flashy clothes, quiet face. I asked,
You going Alpha Tree?
He nodded quickly. Too quickly. But I didn't think much of it. I pulled the door and slid inside. The first thing I noticed, there was nobody else in the car. Strange, because Kingston Road taxis almost always have passengers. But I told myself,
Maybe I'm just lucky tonight.
the second thing? The way he kept staring at me through the rearview mirror. Not a normal glance. A steady, measuring look. I pulled up my phone to text my cousin, but the signal dropped.